Ongoing healthcare worker shortages are impacting more than just hospitals.
With tight budgets and high workloads, Colorado school districts are struggling to attract and retain school nurses. Digging into the overall healthcare worker outlook, the Colorado Hospital Association expects the state to be short 10,000 nurses and 54,000 entry-level workers by 2026.
Denver 7's Colin Riley visited Bromwell Elementary and shares how Denver Public Schools is going to tackle this.
Hi, Jazz. How are you today? I hope I can get a job here somewhere in one of these schools.
Jennifer Chavez has a good chance at becoming a school nurse with DPS. She graduated just last year, but was ready to start working as soon as she got her diploma.
Having that certification after you get your diploma as a high school student is just going to take you so far.
Chavez became a certified nursing assistant at the Emily Griffith Technical College, completing the program while she finished her high school degree. DPS pays for tuition and finds internship opportunities for its students. It's all part of a new initiative aimed at tackling a shortage of school nurses.
We have to come up with solutions of how we're going to grow nurses and how we're going to get staff.
Marie Quinn is the director of nursing at DPS, and in her 20 years of nursing, she's always seen a shortage of staff. So her idea, get students interested in a nursing career and help them along the way.
You know, I want to show them about the opportunity. In nursing school, we don't hear a lot about school nursing. It's really hard right now to recruit and hire bachelor's prepared nurses with pediatric experience, but the ability to have them work as a health tech and, you know, while they're going through school is the experience that's happening at the same time.
Chavez worked as a health technician at Bromwell Elementary while she studies to become a registered nurse. Only an RN can become a school nurse. Real-world experience for Chavez while easing the pressure on Bromwell's only school nurse.
We just want to make sure we're prepared, we want to make sure everyone's safe, and we have those resources to help those students.
DPS employs only 140 nurses to care for 85,000 students. That's over 600 students per nurse. And most nurses don't work full-time at one school, highlighting the need for people like Jennifer to fill the gaps and one day fill the shoes of a school nurse.
Hopefully we can grow our own and just make sure that we can get other high school seniors and other people in high school to really explore this career choice.
In the meantime, she gets to fulfill a need in her neighborhood.
Thank you so much. I'll see you later, okay?
In Denver.
I feel like I am helping out.
Colin Riley, Denver 7.
Well, the COVID-19 pandemic really amplified long-standing issues of burnout and stress for nurses nationwide. A study from the National Library of Medicine found more than half surveyed nurses reported a significant increase in workload during the pandemic, many saying they were emotionally drained, burned out multiple times a week or even every day. And that has led to a 3.3% decline in the national nursing workforce just in the last 3 years.